Hi there, my name is Jane Wesley Brooks. I'm a certified family law specialist with the State Bar of California at JWB Family Law in San Diego. And welcome to Tuesday's Tips. Today's topic is kind of a complex one. It has to do with separate property tracing. If you believe that you had separate property prior to marriage, or you used your separate property to acquire or improve community property, then you might be able to get your separate property back through a tracing of your separate property into the community property. There are two methods in California that are recognized to do this. One is a direct tracing method, and the other is called the exhaustion method. To get your property back through the direct tracing, it's just that you have to provide all of your bank statements, all of the documents that you can show a direct payment from your separate property into the community property or community property improvement. You must show that it came from a separate property source into the separate property, and you must show that directly. The other method is the exhaustion method. And what happens with the exhaustion method is that you have to be able to show that all the community property funds were used first for payment of community property expenses, and then you've exhausted all the community property in that account, and what remains is presumed to be separate property. Now, in order to properly trace, almost everyone has to hire a forensic accountant, and it's not a joint forensic accountant. It's a separate individual accountant that you hire because you're the separatizer to trace all your separate property. It's expensive, so it's worth it only if there is enough property to pay a forensic accountant to go trace and find. If you have any questions about how to get reimbursed for your separate property in a divorce, feel free to contact JWB Family Law or any qualified family law attorney. Best of luck to you.